Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058C filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing frame. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. This will secure the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.